What's up, Guitar Players Club? How you doing? So yeah, Party in the USA. All right, so we're gonna do this song. It's actually in the key of F sharp major. Okay, we right here on the second fret. Okay, so we're doing 1, 3, 6, 5. 1, 3, 6, 5. So here are the scales. All right, that's where it is. All right, so I'm gonna strum it. I'm gonna strum it real quick and you'll get an idea of what the pattern is, okay? All right, so I mean, that's pretty much it. Let me show you what the charts are real quick so you can get an idea of what that looks like. Okay, so here we go. Here we go. Here we go. F sharp right here. All right. Here's the next one. Here's that B flat. A sharp, same thing. Minor. Here's the D sharp E flat. Minor. And then that next one is D C sharp D flat. Those are the chords. Now keep in mind that when you do these songs, you can actually familiarize yourself with the songs in such a way where, well, you can familiarize yourself with the chord progression, because that one chord progression is going to apply to a bunch of other chord progressions. Okay, like really keep that in mind. It will apply to other chord progressions and you'll be able to apply it in other places. So just get very familiar with how to play chord progressions. I mean, that's good. That's a good reason to play along with a song, especially like instrumentals and things like that. All right. Also learning the melody. All right. Pick out a chord progression that you like within the chord progression that you learn. So it's not always about learning every single chord within the key, even though I suggest it. But here's the F sharp. That's the 1. Here's the 6, which is the E flat. So let's just say you want to do a 6-5 chord progression. And go to the 3. 5, 6. Here's the 1. 3, 5, 1, 1, 3, 6, 1, 4, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna go to the 4 next. 2, 5. Then we're gonna go to the 1. 3, 6, 5. So how I did that? I did incorporate some other stuff in there, but just know that you can use one song to inspire other songs. That's my whole point. Okay. So Anyway, this song is great for like acoustic strumming if you want to use the electric to strum. And basically, another way that you can play this is pivoting on this sixth fret, okay, at the E flat chord, the E flat minor or minor seventh, however you want to play it, you know. Just know when it comes to minor chords, you can typically sort of like hammer on in that chord. So if you were to do like the little funk riff in the beginning, like keep that in mind. You can do that without doing all the movement, because this chord is also right here. And guess what? Even though I'm playing this minor seventh, it's really like the F sharp up here. If you just add your pinky, you see what I'm saying? And then when you let go, you're, pulling off to where you're playing the triad from the C sharp. And when you pull off again, you're playing that 3 also, right here. So those notes, the 3 and 5 share, okay? As well as the F sharp major and the E flat minor 7th shares. Okay, so just know as long as you're playing the 1 through the 4 string, you're good. So you're not playing anything on the A and D, because it gets a little muddy sometimes, unless you're intentionally wanting to do something. So I hope that was helpful for something like that. All right. You can get very creative with the chords. And like I said, you can write other things when you learn these songs. My main aim is to help to inspire creativity. I don't even condone all the lyrics of all the songs that I share. It's really mainly to learn the music portion, and that's really it. Okay. So great chords, great arrangement, real simple looped song, very straightforward and easy to play with. All right. So hope it was good for you. All right. And I'll be adding some more stuff. Okay. I will be seeing y'all. Love you so much. Thank y'all for rocking with me, and thank you for sticking with me with these technical difficulties, but we're doing it even still. All right. Peace.